everyone, welcome to my channel. So today guys, we are going to do a little face detox, and I'm going to start on fresh skin. As you guys can see, my face has a couple of bumps on it. Of course, I have some hyperpigmentation, so definitely working on a few products with that. But one of the cool things I found was this really little neat tool that helps to detox and unclog my pores, to help with all these little marking. The first thing I do actually is use this facial steamer to open up my pores, and we're going to use this little spatula tool, which I'm going to have the link down for you guys below. I got it on Amazon. Gonna scrub my face with this to make sure it's very thoroughly clean, and I'm using either one of these toners. In the morning I'll use the rose toner if I'm doing this during the daytime. If it's nighttime, I'll use this glycolic, the ordinary glycolic acid toner. So it depends when you're using this to make sure that you use the proper toner. And of course, I'm going to put a little bit of Shea Moisture oil after I'm done doing this. This has so many benefits to your skin. I'm also going to be using this little tool for any little stubborn spot. And lastly, guys, we're going to use this little sheet mask. I do this sheet mask after I do my skincare routine now to help my skin, as I don't always use the same one. So let's get started, guys. The first thing I'm gonna do is, of course, go and wash my face, and I'm gonna steam this for about 10 to 15 minutes. The reason for this is when you're detoxing your skin with any of those tools, the spatula or anything else, one of the benefits I've realized is to actually steam your face to make sure to open up your pores as much as possible. This helps to prevent any damage to your pores, as well as it makes it a whole lot easier to get all the gunk out of your skin, out of your pores, because now they're open and it's easier to work with without causing damage to your pores or your skin. Next, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this little tissue paper. This is to clean the spatula as I'm using it, and we're gonna make sure that we set this on this setting. You want the positive ion setting, because that's the one that you need to go ahead and clear out your pores. And all you do is actually hold this until everything lights up, and you press it down until you reach your desired setting. And I'm not going to do my nose first for a good reason, guys. I usually start with my chin area, and all I do is I always make sure I go up. I don't drag my skin down, and you don't have to put a lot of pressure on it. It looks like I might be putting a lot of pressure, but I'm not. You just have to slightly put a little bit of pressure, and you notice everything is starting to come up and your skin is clearing up. Now guys, if you notice, I am steaming my face again because this takes a while to do. Whenever my face cool down, I feel like my pores are closing back up. I will go ahead and steam it again to make sure that everything is open up. I just steam my face for about another 5 minutes throughout, whenever I'm doing this again, so I can make sure I'm cleaning it all thoroughly. Now the next area is my forehead. I go ahead, I thoroughly do around my forehead, my eyebrow areas. I notice sometimes I do get little bumps and rays on there, so I will go ahead and do those areas as well. Remember, try to keep everything in up motion, guys. This is how I do it. So if you do want to do it in a different direction, definitely up to you. And this is how much gunk that's come out of my skin. So I wanted to show you guys that tissue paper. It looks a little gross, but great result. Now the last place I do is my nose. I go ahead and steam this again for about another 5 minutes, guys, because I want to make sure everything is open up, everything is ready, and I'll go ahead and do my nose. Now the reason I do my nose last is I noticed there's so much more gunk on my nose. It has so much more to work with to clean out, so I want to make sure I clean that last, and then I'll go in. If there's like one little bump I need to take care of, I'll use that little tool to clean it. The next thing I do is I just go ahead, I wet this little tissue paper with just water and just wipe my face and make sure I take away any dirt, residue, any buildup that's come out of my skin. I want it to be clear. Afterward, guys, I have all that done. I will go in and use that steamer again. That steamer actually provides a couple of different settings. One of them is a cool setting, so I'll go ahead with that and steam all over my face with that cool setting to help close back my pores that I just opened up so much. And this feels so good. This feels amazing because your pores are cleaned out, they're closing back up, your face feels so chill, just it's cooling down. It helps your face feel more relaxed after that detox, after using that tool on it. It's a great little therapy for it. The next thing I do, guys, is use my toner on my face. Now, because this was later in the day, I did use the glycolic toner. Make sure that you're using this later in the afternoon because you don't want to put this on your face and having to go out in the sun right away, because this does make your skin very sensitive. You want to make sure that you are using this during nighttime and putting proper treatment later on it. And I'm trying my best. Usually I try to only go over each area once to twice with that little toner, and then afterward I will add this Shea Moisture oil. So all I do is I put a few drops on my skin, guys, and I massage that in, which I absolutely love doing. It feels so nice. It hydrates my skin, and I can put it all over my face and neck area, and it just feels so nice to put this in. I don't have to put any moisturizer, any serum, anything else. I just add this little oil and I am good to go. Massage my neck, all of the areas I just treated. And after that, guys, I go in with my sheet mask. I'm gonna put it over my face and I leave this in for about 15 minutes. It's a great way not only to help that oil penetrate a lot more. This gives me extra treatment on my face, just to get everything hydrated, to get more moisture in it, just to get a lot more benefit into my skin after I do these treatments. Not just the oil, but as well as that sheet mask. Make sure it's completely covered and all over my face, guys, for some good moisturizing treatment. Now, after I leave this in for about 15 minutes, I take it off, guys, massage the residue that's on my face, make sure it gets all in there, and that's pretty much it, guys. After I do this, after that sheet mask, my skin feels amazing. I absolutely love the result, and I just put some lip balm on and I am done with this little treatment. I absolutely love doing this. It's helped my skin so much. It has so much benefit to it. and I can definitely see the difference the weeks that I do it and when I don't. I'm gonna have all the links down for you guys below it, all the tools I use and all the products that are in this video. You guys can just go click and see where I found them and be able to get them as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel. Leave all of your comments down below, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to go over and watch my last video.